This one metric reveals everything about your company's true innovation potential. For decades, we've been told to measure innovation by how much we spend, how many patents we file, or our revenue from new products. But these are all lies. They're lagging indicators. They tell you what happened yesterday. What if I told you there was a leading indicator, a way to measure your potential to create what customers will actually buy tomorrow? It all comes down to a single powerful question that flips the entire process on its head. And this isn't just a theory. It's the synthesis of over 30 years of research into why companies like Apple, Google, and countless others succeed predictably while others are left guessing. To find the right metric, you have to first understand why the old ones are so wrong. R&D spend? It's a measure of effort, not effectiveness. The number of ideas or patents? It's a measure of activity, not progress. And revenue from new products? That's a measure of the past, not a predictor of the future. The fundamental shift is this. You don't buy a drill because you want to own a drill. You hire it for the job of creating a quarter-inch hole. Innovation isn't about building a better product. It's about helping a customer make progress and get their job done better. That's the secret. So, how do you measure your ability to deliver to that progress? For years, many of us in the innovation world have used a metric called the opportunity score. The formula looks like this. But here's the problem, a big one. As data scientists and practitioners have applied this in the real world, they've discovered this formula is deeply flawed. It's biased, it prioritizes the wrong needs, and it amplifies statistical errors. You can't make confident multi-million-dollar decisions on a broken metric. So what's the real metric? Well, it's much simpler and more powerful. The real metric is the percentage of underserved customers. That's it. What percentage of your market finds a need highly important but is highly unsatisfied with current solutions? That number is clear, direct, and defensible. It's the real signal of opportunity. Here's the new, better way to work. First, figure out the real job to be done. Then, uncover all the metrics they use to measure success. Survey for importance and effort, but instead of a confusing formula, you simply count the percentage of people for whom a need is both important and requires a great deal of effort. This gives you a clear, ranked list of what truly matters to your customers. Stop looking in the rearview mirror and stop using broken tools. Your company's true potential isn't found in a complex formula. It's measured by the size of the customer struggles you can solve. Now, this is the what and the why. If you're ready for the how, I've updated my incredibly detailed 8,000-word guide on Substack. It critiques the old methods in detail, links to a prior article I wrote with even more detail, and shows you how to use this better approach to build an uncopyable moat with all 10 types of innovation. Click the link in the description below to read it now, or check out the first comment depending on your platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.